Shine bright up all night. We're never slow.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you in this tutorial how to get this eye look. It is, as the title states, neon pink cut crease eye makeup look. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using 9 color palette from Swiss Beauty, which has perfect neon eyeshadow in it. I would be using neon pink ahead, but first would be this eyeshadow that I would be using for my crease. I'm using Pro Art PE29 brush and packing this eyeshadow on my crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion build the eyeshadow slowly. Next I'm picking this brown eyeshadow, chocolate brown, and intensifying the crease eyeshadow. Blend it well with the first eyeshadow, move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. I'm applying the same on my outer V. Fill your outer V using chocolate brown eyeshadow. Sharpen your outer V edge. Next I'm picking this eyeshadow to intensify my outer V further. Blend it with the crease eyeshadow. Don't go too much inside. Move it lightly on your crease, but the intensity should be greater on your outer V only. Next I'm creating half cut crease. Pull only the edge concealer, the mid concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. This is perfect neon pink. I'm applying on top of the concealer. Don't wait for the concealer to dry. Apply on wet concealer for a jet neon pink pigment. Next I would be using liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel and applying on my eye mid to give shimmery effect. When you're dispersing, it fades, reapply back again. Keep the liquid eyeshadow within the crease line here. Be very careful when you're outlining. Push it towards the pink eyeshadow to blend it with the pink eyeshadow. Next I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a peel off eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Insight. Very glossy, shiny and affordable at the same time. Pull a straight line here joining the mid and it's done. I'm creating pointed inner corner now. Next I would be coating kajal on my waterline. Smush the kajal using pink eyeshadow. I'm using flat brush. This brush has pink eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth. The kajal also will get smushed and the traces of pink eyeshadow also will be visible on your lower lash line. I'm using Lakme Iconic Mascara to intensify my eyelashes. Hold wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted when you are coating mascara on your lower eyelashes. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.